Let's get warmed up. What's your Welcome back to ACEP24. Here we are in the big general session hall where we have heard the opening session speaker, our new ACEP president, Allison Haddock, and even 2 hours of MRAP Live. This is one of the many spaces where we've got education, connection, networking, innovation, all happening right here in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. What do you got in there?
A lot of caffeine for some really tired people.
How much espresso does it take to survive the Vegas life?
It's about 3 shots.
3 shots
Yeah.
so far. What is something that you have learned so far that you're going to take back with you to your practice?
I learned about emergency airway management in children and some alternatives which are there.
You know, somebody told me a long time ago, this is a young specialty. We have to do our part to elevate it. My part is to be at ACEP, to help the college, and to do my part.
Did you say you know how to use a tourniquet?
Yes.
Do you think that you could save my chicken?
Oh, yeah, sure.
That's right.
The airway's intact.
The airway's
Intact.
intact. What are we doing over here?
We're looking at the silent auction, looking for fun stuff to buy.
What do you think is the best item that is available in this silent auction this year?
The best item already sold. It was a Paul McCartney and Hoffner vase, but the Kobe Bryant jerseys are pretty good too.
Do you even know where the money for this silent auction goes?
It goes to EMF.
Why do you keep coming back?
This is the gathering place for emergency physicians in the world. It's the biggest gathering, and this area here is really interesting to find the cutting edge techniques. This is the place to come every year.